Hey, buddy.
Marty, what
Okay, listen. That was Jeannie with the bad news. Now, are you ready for the good news? Because it is very good. We are on the verge of getting everything that you want, everything that you deserve. We just need to keep Maya happy until those merger papers are signed. So please, just get down here, shake some hands, make a big fat contribution, and, just do what you do best. Impress the hell out of everybody.
I'll be there in 20.
Oh, he's coming.
Okay, let's just stay positive.
Oh, positive. He's coming. How much more positive can that get?